Hi everyone. Hope you are all doing well. I am Patrick, your host. Welcome to my brand new podcast show. Do you want to fix your water-damaged iPhone to get it back in pre-damaged condition? I will suggest iTech Express for affordable iPhone water damage repair services in Covina. This repair store has been offering comprehensive services for all Apple devices. Their services include screen replacement, diagnostic, home button repair, water damage repairs and more. They can take care of all your Apple products expertly. Get top-notch spare parts and high-caliber iPhone repair services at competitive prices. Same-day services are available if the problem is not much serious and can be fixed within a few hours. Call 626-777-4747 or visit itechexpressinc.com for further inquiry. That's all for today. I will be back with more new topics, so stay tuned.